The problem is we have a tire machine, and due to the wheels and tires getting larger and larger over time, the machine is no longer ideal for these larger tires. Here we have a Hunter tire machine. Hunter makes some really nice tire machines, and this one is even equipped with a tire lift. This lift takes the wheel and lifts it on top of the machine so the technician doesn't have to physically grab it and bring it up. Super nice feature. However, over time, as the wheels have gotten larger and larger, it no longer supports these larger wheels, and the wheel can easily fall off and injure the wheel and or the technician. To replace the entire tire lift with a new one would take thousands of dollars and a lot of work. The solution is the AGA Tools Hunter Tire Machine Upgrade Kit. This kit replaces the rollers in just under an hour and makes the platform big enough to support the larger tires. It extends on each side 2.5 inches out, which gives you a total of 5 inches bigger platform. Here's how you install this kit. In the kit, you'll find 10 short rollers and 2 long rollers like this. The long rollers go right here in the first position. All the other ones from here on and back are the short rollers. Remove the old roller by the use of a 13mm ratchet and wrench. Lift the roller off like that. Now take the new roller, remove the nylon nut and the regular nut on the inside. Slide off all the old rollers and slide them onto the new assembly like this so that they're on the outside. Install the regular nut and keep spinning it until it is up against the stack of rollers, but you still have a little bit of play so the rollers can move freely like this. Insert the rod through the machine and install the nylon nut on the back side like this. Hold back on the castle nut on the outside and tighten the roller into place. Final step, hold back on the inside, tighten the standard nut up until the shaft is tight to the machine, but make sure there's still movement and the rollers can spin easily. Repeat this process on the 10 inside rollers. On the 2 outside rollers, the process is the same, but note there's also a roller on the inside. So after you remove the nuts, slide on the rollers, make sure you leave enough space for the inside roller to sit in this area and also spin freely. Now that we have the rollers installed and a 5 inches wider platform, the tire rolls on nice and easy and is much more stable and way safer. To get your AGA Tools Hunter Tire Lift Upgrade Kit, go to agatools.com. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe.